Not very good.
A little bit? Not a bit?
A little bit. More.
So you can check up a little bit?
Yep.
Okay, 7 up a little. Okay, whoa, that's good. Okay, I'm Taylor, this is Jace. We're going to be singing, I'm going to be singing Sweet Pea. He's going to be like shredding on the guitar. It's pretty epic. No clapping, no clapping. Sweet pea, apple of my eye. I don't know when and I don't know why, but you're the only reason I keep on coming home. Sweet pea, what's this all about? You don't get your way, all you do is fuss and pout. You're the only reason I keep on coming home. I like the rock of Gibraltar. I always seem to falter, and the words just get in the way. Oh, I know that I'm humble when I try to stay humble, but I just can't think before I say. Keeper of my soul. I know sometimes I get out of control, but you're the only reason I keep on coming. You're the only reason I keep on coming. You're the only reason I keep on coming home.